Okay, I think I've got the setup down. And if you're wondering what the hell I'm talking about, I mean, for the first time in 3 years, I'm putting a video back on YouTube on my channel. And part of this is a test because I need to see how this looks on my iPad, or if I need to just go ahead and bite the bullet and use my iPhone, because I'm going to be pre-recording my workshop for RWA Nationals. They asked me earlier in September of this year to present my male point of view workshop to them, and I gratefully agreed. But the way that they're doing things with the online conferencing this year has everyone doing things, well, online. So I wanted to go ahead and make sure my audio and video setup is as clear as it can be. I'm going to troubleshoot some videos and probably throw up a few more YouTube videos in the interim between now and then. Once I've got it right, you guys can see it by going to the conference and registering. I'm pretty sure this video won't have it, but I'll do a video where I talk about the course in particular and RWA in general. I've been once or twice, I've been twice. And unofficially, of course, because they happen to be in my backyard. A lot of fun, a lot of daunting fun, but a lot of fun. I met a lot of wonderful authors I've known for years that were fantastic people to work with and to be friends with, and I can't say enough good about those people in particular. I've made some new contacts as well, which has been awesome. I will be coming back to decide what to do with this channel soon. I will be resurrecting it, but as far as decisions are concerned, I may be splitting off the alcohol and cigar stuff into its own channel and linking that to Pure Indulgence, while this stays the focus of my romance writing career, as well as excerpts for you guys, sneak peeks maybe, back to the inside story on things, who knows, as well as, I don't know, whatever I feel like throwing up here that's writer related. You missing the fact that I've been missing for 3 years? I got a reason. Also, I don't ever rehearse my shit, so the RWA thing is going to be the only thing that gets a rehearsal, not on video, because I've only given that workshop live 3 times, and one of which was basically over a Zoom call about 5 years ago, if not longer. A lot of fun, I enjoy doing it, but it's been a long time, and I do those live performances of it so rarely that I'm going to have to rehearse a couple times before I put this on film. This shit for YouTube, however, y'all know me, y'all know what the deal is. So let's get into a discussion real quick about where I've been. I had heart surgery. If you've been keeping up with the blog and the social media posts on Facebook, you know I had ablation back in May, and I cannot tell you what a godsend that was. Scary shit. I literally spent much of my time... Where the fuck is my phone? Well, I can't find my damn cell phone right now, but I had my phone with me. I literally spent half the damn morning trying to make a trade of something, whether it was natural gas or a pot stock or something, because once they started putting needles in my body and wiring me up, I'm like, this shit's gonna happen. They're gonna fuck with your heart, bro. I wasn't feeling too good about it. Anyway, I'll give details about that post later. I've talked enough about it on my 2 posts on my website. The link for those will be down below. But I want to say that the surgery has been fantastic. I have my energy back. There's a lot more I could say about that tie into depression and drinking and this and that. But the short version of it is, I'm back, baby. I'm back to writing. Not as heavy as I was in the past, but a lot more consistent than I've been in the last couple of years, due to the heart shit and other stuff that I'll cover in a different video. I have 2 projects I'm in the middle of right now, both of which are romance novels, one of which is paranormal, the other one is geared towards Harlequin, because a buddy of mine, Pamela Desmond Wright, had suggested I could write for Harlequin. I've been writing for Harlequin, in a manner of speaking, a number of times over the last 21 years. I just never got... Something always came up in my head or in life that fucked up me finishing that book. And when she kept pressing under her different name, when she writes romance novels under a different name that are a lot more intense than the Amish stuff she's putting out now under this name. High quality stuff, I promise you that. Wonderful, wonderful stuff. But anyway, she suggested, you know what, you want to make some fucking money here? You write some stuff for Harlequin. You can do this. It's easy. I know you. You've been doing this for 21 years. I said, yeah, I probably could. I've tried, but, well, do or do not, there is no try. What's that shit? Well, anyway, that's project number 2 in the works. Project number 1, I'm almost finished with, and is a demon heroine love story of redemption that I will talk more about in greater detail on a different post, or a different video rather. I'm not even going to edit this because I just wanted to get it up to YouTube to start pushing out the content again. Right now, I don't know how often I'm going to be doing these videos, but I'm coming back the whole 9 yards. I got to spend some time with my life book and really plot this out as to what it needs to look like, or what I would like for it to look like. I have a whole new life compared to when I was doing this 3 years ago, and things are not perfect. I don't expect perfection. Perfection is bullshit. But I do have a lot more going for me in the right direction, and we'll talk about that as things go on. But for the moment, know that I'm 65,000 words into a novel that I began right after surgery, and while I normally write faster than that, this is what it is because of a number of different things that have gone on. Part of it's been doctor's visits for the surgery, part of it's been the younger lovers had her own surgery and doctor's visits as well. Everything's okay, everyone's good here, we're all whole. Both lovers are doing as good as they can be. I've also got 2 kitty cats, which Instagram link in the description. When I put this up there on YouTube, you guys will see that, and you guys can look at the kitty pics. Matter of fact, do it right now.